Thank you, dear authors. Ladies and gentlemen, we now move on to one of the most anticipated segments of the Kolkata Literary Carnival. Felicitation of the 11th International Literary Awards with the Dickens Medal for Literary Excellence Part 1. This year's Literary Awards 2025 to 2026 witnessed an overwhelming response with an increase of almost 300% applications compared to last year across all genres. From a remarkable total of 7,650 entries, there were only 144 final awardees. It is truly a celebration of storytelling, creativity, and literary excellence. And now, without further ado, we begin with the first award of the day, starting in alphabetical order. To felicitate our awardees, may I invite Mr. Shumon Mukhopadhyay on stage with a huge round of applause, please, for our guest of honor. We are starting off with Adhya Patel for the title Weirdly Indian Toilets, Toys, and Total. Adhya Patel for the title Weirdly Indian Toilets, Toys, and Total Mystery in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Abha Jha for the title Going Beyond Impossibilities in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Abhiraj Shea for the title The Tale of Jackson and Elara in the category Child Author of the Year. Aditi Pangarkar for the title Blooms in Life in the category Poet of the Year. Akshay Shroff for the title The Game Changer Monk in the category Fiction Author of the Year. May we hear some round of applause for our awardees, please. Up next, we have Akshayarka Alamyan Deka for the title Parallels, Paths and Poisons in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Anisha Koti Bhaskar for the title Millie and Gaja Go on a Posting in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year for Children. Anjali Rongta for the title Sia, A Suicide's Argument in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Annesa Piplai for the title Me Time and Other Stories in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Anurag Chatterjee for the title Deity Rhapsody in the category Best Contributor in an Anthology. Arun Kumar M. Khanur for the title Rise and Thrive in the category Non-Fiction Sueno's Book of the Year. Bashobi for the title The Enemy in the category Poet of the Year. Bijoy Ravindran and Utsap Chatterjee for the title Technicolor Lovers Reel 1 in the category Graphic Novel of the Year. Charushil Manikrao Mane for the title The Architects of the Universe in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Debashish Bhattacharya for the title Love in the Battlefield in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Deepika Smitha Pais for the title Ashes on Wall Street in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Devajit Bhuiya for the title A Brief History of Assam in the category Reference Book of the Year. Dilip Kumar Dash for the title Love, the Awakened Soul in the category Poet of the Year. Dr. Binoy Gupta for the titles Queen Pins of the Underworld and Buddha and Buddhism in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Do we have Dr. Binoy Gupta with us? Thank you, Mr. Mukhopadhyay. May we have a round of applause for our guest of honor. For the next set, I would like to invite Mr. Pranav Gupta on stage. Let's welcome our guest of honor, Mr. Pranav Gupta, with a round of applause. Up next, we have Dr. Deepak Tak for the title Alag Andaz in the category Poet of the Year.
महफिल में उनके आने पे सब उनको देखा करते हैं, पर नज़ारा तो जब खास होता है जब नजरें झुकाए वो हमको देखा करते हैं, क्योंकि अंदाज हमारा अलग है। भेड़ों की तरह हम चला करते नहीं, शेर हैं अकेले ही निकल पड़ते हैं, भेड़ियों की तरह झुंड में आया करते नहीं।
Dr. Devika S for the title As Long as It's Black in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Dr. Joseph K. Thomas for the title Israel-Palestine War, Give Peace a Chance in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Do we have Dr. Joseph with us? Dr. Kumaran Sampath for the title The Soul That Never Gave Up in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Dr. Meenakshi Bose for the title Valuing Women's Unpaid Work, Experiences from Odisha in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Dr. Nalin Rai for the title Milestone Beckons in the category Translator of the Year. Dr. Nazia Sheikh for the title Dastane-Dil Shikasta in the category Poet of the Year. Dr. P.Y. Emmanuel for the title The Sky of Silent Tears in the category Poet of the Year. Dr. Preeti Swami for the title The Lantern of Little Things in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Dr. Ratan Bhattacharjee for the title 6 Feet Distance in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Dr. Seema Jain for the title Banaras Ek Anubhuti in the category Poet of the Year. Do we have Dr. Seema Jain with us? Moving on, Dr. Siddharth Sen for the title Petri Chor in the category Non-Fiction Sueno's Book of the Year. Dr. Venkata Satya Kiran Kumar Nandivara for the title Desert Fry in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Ashish Kumar Das for the title Facts of Dance in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Hiranya Bora for the title The Fearless Revolutionary in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Hussair Zain for the title You Can't Escape in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Do we have Hussair Zain with us? Moving on, next is Jigesh V. Sasendran for the title The Voyage of Soul in the category Fiction Book of the Year. John Robert for the title Going Beyond Boundaries in the category Non-Fiction Suenos Book of the Year. Karthika Maheshwaram for the title You Are a Superwoman but Do Not Use Your Superpowers in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Shipra Morikar for the title Pass the Pinwheel in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Mala Sengupta for the title Triumph of a Warrior Woman in the category Poet of the Year. Manav Saurav for the title The Unmeasured Mind in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Manu Siddhartha for the title Shiv Puran Unlocked, a simplified journey in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Muhammad Imran Haq for the title Ghost of Love in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Monica Khurana for the title Together Yet Alone in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Moumita De for the title Motshindranath O Banglar Ojana Kahini in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year. Murari Madhava Kaimal for the title Last Flight of the Dreamliner in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Nameed Ismail for the title The Tide Will Rise in the category Fiction Suenos Book of the Year. Nikita Verma for the title Before He Writes Me in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Tarun Kumar Saini for the title Symphony in Monotony in the category Poet of the Year. Thank you so much, Mr. Pranav Gupta. A huge round of applause for our guest of honor, Mr. Gupta. For the next set of awards, I would like to invite Mr. S.V. Raman on stage for felicitating our awardees. Please put your hands together for Mr. Raman. We begin with Philip Isukapati for the title Sonetto Universal in the category Poet of the Year. Purnima Dayal for the title The Living Wonders of Creation in the category Poet of the Year. Do we have Purnima Dayal with us? No. We move on. Prabir Ghosh for the title 50 Grey Shades from Indian History in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Pradeep Malik for the title Teri Preet Mere Geet in the category Poet of the Year. Prashant Gunjan for the title Shadows of Past in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Priyanshu Jha for the title Shiva, a Prehistoric Hero in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. R. Chaitanya for the title Kick on the A of a Breakup in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year.
I have proved the great Lord Shiva, a historical person in the book Shiva, a Prehistoric Hero. Please read. This is on the basis of scientific evidence and logic. Thank you.
Previously, I named Purnima Dayal. Is she here? On behalf of Purnima Dayal, we have Mr. Pawan with us for the title The Living Wonders of Creation in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Rahul Manghat for the title The Origin of 10 Fires, a series in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Up next, we have Rajat Chandra Sharma for the title Beneath All This Sky in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Up next, we have Rajiv Kumar Dubey for the title Clockwise, Skills and Strategies for Effective Time Management in the category Non-Fiction, Sueno's Book of the Year. Do we have Rajiv Kumar Dubey with us? Moving on to the next person, Rajiv Khandelwal for the title Khandelwal's Poetic Process in the category Poet of the Year. Next, we have Ranjan Sen for the title To Cut a Long Story Short in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Rhea Gupta for the title Sketchy Art in the category Sueno's Author 40 Under 40. Up next, we have Rhodesia for the title Heartful, 100 Poems on Joy and Resilience in the category Poet of the Year. Up next, we have Rik Sundar Banerjee for the title The Book of Indian Ghosts in the category Best Contributor in an Anthology. May we have a huge round of applause for Mr. S.V. Raman. Thank you so much. For the next set, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Saujanya Puri on stage. Please put your hands together for Dr. Puri. Starting with Wrinkle Doshi for the title Muddat, the snippets of Stolen Time in the category Poet of the Year. Rishabh Dubey for the title The Last Night of Chittor in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Sanjay Banerjee for the title Tagdu and the Wrath of the Serpents in the category Graphic Novel of the Year. Sanjeev Shekhar for the title Ride Above the Clouds in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Shankolita Roy for the title She Sways Silent Storms in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Do we have Shankolita with us? Moving on, Shayanti De for the title A Thousand Midnights in the category Poet of the Year. Shalaka Anish Kering for the title Empower Thyself with 31 scintillating stars in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Shonika Ghai for the title Love Vipassana, The Union Within in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Hans Ashok Kucheria for the title The Chronicles of Indian Politics in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year. Shubham Natu for the title Whispers and Wanderers, The Voices in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year. Shomodeep Majumdar for the title Shabdo Sindhu, a collection of Bengali poems in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Sritapa Mahanti for the title A Heart's Journey in the category Fiction Author of the Year. So Sritapa Mahamti is not here. Tanya Sen is collecting the award on her behalf. Next we have Tanka Das for the title Our Calendar Paradox in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Do we have Tanka Das with us? Moving on, we have Tapas Kumar Sar for the title Mastitis, Symptoms, Triggers and Treatment in the category Editor of the Year. Next, we have Tarun Sharma for the title Tapri to Tranquility in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. He's not present with us. We have Tulika Majumdar for the title D for Destiny in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Vivek Anand for the title Founder Frameworks in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year. Yogesh Srivastava for the title Resilience of the Unbreakable Spirit, Sweno's Book of the Year in Fiction. We thank Dr. Saujanya Puri for felicitating our awardees. For the awardees who are not present with us, I would like to take their names for the title and the category. Please bear with me. Alvin E. Loran for the title Drizzle in the City and Other Stories in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Anna Stelja for the title Tower of Light, Poetic Tribute to Burj Khalifa in the category Poet of the Year. Angelica Elaine Dolorfino Hover for the title Last Moment in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Anna Katrina Velela Milan for the title What the Sun Says to the Moon in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Orindam Chakraborty for the title The Price of Redemption, Redemption Saga Part 1 in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Arius Lauren Caro Raposas for the title Revolution 80 Days in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Dr. Adyasha Acharya for the title The Savior in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Dr. Manisha Kundani for the title Pins, Pains and Promises in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Dr. Mohammad Siddiqui Hussain for the title Advaito Mollo Bormoner Upannash in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year. Dr. Pradeep Kumar Das for the title Golpo Mala in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Dr. Ram Krishna Rao Muthiala for the title Shri Krishna Mahabharat in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Dr. Shri Kumar Krishnan for the title From Balls to Bots in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Dr. Sushant Rajput for the title Mindful Momentum, Navigating Procrastination and Overthinking in the category Non-Fiction, Sweno's Book of the Year. Dr. Yogesh Ajnani Kumar Gupta and Dr. Geeta Yogesh Gupta for the title Healthcare, Law and Ethics in the category Reference Book of the Year. Edmund L. Duran for the title Layag Nang Bangkang Papel in the category Poet of the Year. Francesco Favetta for the title Beyond the Blue Echoes of Love and Silence in the category Poet of the Year. Gopalji for the title Unpolished Regrets in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Hari Govind TP for the title Whispers Under Starlight FCR in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Hira Nawaz for the title I Emerged a Butterfly, My Transformation Story in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. John Harold Oliveros Francisco for the title Naglalag Be Din Ang Aking Magatula Sa Mundo Nang Kariktan for the title Poet for the category Poet of the Year. Kamalika Bhattacharya for the title Resilience Reborn in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Kumud Verma for the title Bharat Gaurav in the category Sweno's Book of the Year in Non-Fiction. Madhukar Parekh for the title The Luminous Thread in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Madhumita Datta for the title Chhaya Tirtho Prabandho Shankolon in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Mahendra Arya for the title Tangents and a Circle in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Manmohan Sadhna for the title Simmering Emotions in the category Fiction Author of the Year. For the title Borders and Blessings in the category Fiction Sweno's Book of the Year. And Fleeting Moments, Eternal Memories in the category Sweno's Book of the Year in Fiction. Mohammad Taslim for the title Snapshots in the category Fiction Author of the Year. Gwen Din Tam for the title Wake Up with the Sea in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Nishant Nayan for the title Gaya, the Sacred City in the category Sweno's Author 40 Under 40. Olivera Olja Jelkic for the title Dog's Biography in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Palak Chauhan for the title Song of Mata Sita Ramayana Reimagined in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Prabha Devi Venkatesnan for the title The Power of Astral Projection in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Prateek P. Surana for the title Culture Drives Strategy in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Premraj KK for the title The Light of a Lantern in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Rais Siddiqui for the title The Long Hands of Death in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Ram Chandran for the title The Solitary Violinist and Other Stories in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Ratna Jyoti Datta Chaudhary for the title Unbound Love in the category Fiction Sweno's Book of the Year. Renuka KP for the title Reflections in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Rukhsar Begum for the title My Chase to Doom in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Shavani Lakshmi Narayana for the title The Silent Ocean in the category Poet of the Year. Samantha Gail B. Lucas for the title Worthy and Worth It in the category Non-Fiction Author of the Year. Samiran Ghosh and Sheetal Choksi for the title Thuldrun Sunya in the category Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. Sandeep Kulshrestha for the title Warmth of a Ballad in the category Poet of the Year. Savita Singh for the title The Magic Lift, Birth of a Nation in the category Fiction Book of the Year. Sharanya M. Nair for the title Dandelions in the category Poet of the Year. Sushant Shekhar for the title Fir Se Milenge in the category Poet of the Year. Sri Lakshmi Adhyapak for the title The Song Divine in the category Poet of the Year. Sudarshana Sarkar for the title Life's Meanderings in the category Poet of the Year. Tashvi Pandey for the title The Girl in the Mirror, Not Me in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Theva Kiruba A for the title The Girl's Secret Wardrobe in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Tiju Mundakapalli for the title A Short Vacation of a Donkey in the category Young Adult Author of the Year. Van Dien for the title Green Wishes in the category Poet of the Year. Vandana Bhasin for the title The Gift of Self in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Vinita R.K. for the title Letters to My Daughter in the category Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Vipul B. Varshne for the title Temples of Awadh in the category Non-Fiction Woman Writer of the Year. Vishwas Anand for the title Doing Poetic Justice in the category Poet of the Year. Vivan Prashant Karulkar for the title Elon Musk, the Man Who Bends Reality in the category Non-Fiction Book of the Year. Rajiv Agarwal for the title Wisdom of the Ages, the Great Saints of India in the category Non-Fiction Emerging Author of the Year. And lastly, we have Rohini Rohit Gurung for the title Wings and Wits in the category Poet of the Year. May we have a round of applause for all the awardees who are not present here today and the awardees who are present. Please wait for the photo session at the end of the entire event for all the awardees. We conclude our award felicitation with one special honor. From among all our finalists, one outstanding author is selected for the Mega Golden Quill Award, which carries a cash prize of Rs 30,000. This year, the Mega Golden Quill Award is presented to Mr. Manmohan Sadhana for his book, Simmering Emotions. The book has received notable appreciation and recommendations from distinguished dignitaries, including Mr. Amitabh Kant, former CEO of Niti Aayog, and Mr. Ashwini Lohani, Director of the Prime Minister's Museum and Library Society and former CMD of Air India. Unfortunately, Mr. Sadhana is unable to join us today due to a leg injury. He has conveyed his warm regards and heartfelt thanks to everyone present. Congratulations to Mr. Manmohan Sadhana on his well-deserved recognition. Ladies and gentlemen, we now turn our attention to another special segment, the felicitation of the 3rd Sweno's Excellence Art Awardees. This award celebrates artistic brilliance and creative expression, honoring artists whose work continues to inspire and elevate the cultural landscape, where we have 2 awardees. May we invite Dr. Saujanya Puri again on stage to felicitate our awardees. We have Rhodesia for her work titled The Silent Emperor, winning Excellence in Oil Painting. Last but not the least, we have Priyambada Sarkar for her work titled Reflection, Winning Excellence in Photography.